Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing review of this brand new style by Belle Tress's Luxe SE collection. This is Claudia and I have it in the color Butterbeer R. So I haven't peeked, I haven't looked, so I want to do that with you. This is available
at Wigs Studio One,
who sent this to me so I can give you this review. So now we'll put the link down below in the description box. Look at this color. Wow. And here we get the first impression. Gorgeous, like beach inspired waves. This is a longer wig. This has some gorgeous face framing layers, but we will look at that in more detail when I have it on. But let's look at the cap construction. So we have a mono top, we have an extended lace front, and that lace front goes all the way almost around the silicone ear tabs. And these ear tabs, they are really flat, so that will sit really nice and smooth against your head, so there will be no bulk there. And then you have a mainly hand-tied cap. You can see that here. There's some covered wefts here at the back to add structure and durability. And then you have extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters. There is a little bit of stretch here, so that's always good, which means it can fit a range of head sizes. Let me pop it on. Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. Right, let me not play with it. Let me show it to you straight out of the box. I'm ready to go out. Gorgeous. With a tuck, without a tuck. Really pretty. So now let me just get rid of that zigzag parting. So as you have a mono top, you can part it wherever you like. I like mine slightly off center. Let's see what that looks like. And then let me just comb it through slightly as well. This is now what it looks like combed through. I changed the parting slightly. Just want to show you that quickly again, just so you get an idea. Let's show you what the tuck looks like on this side. And the tuck on this side. Let's look at the lace front. Gorgeous. So you have lighter pieces here at the front. Slight band effect, but only slight. So I definitely can live with that. I'm not the biggest fan, but I know a lot of you really like it. So just pointing that all out for you. And then that top looks really natural. So be aware I have dark hair underneath it. And you still can see a part. So that's really, really natural. So let's look at the layers here. So you do have a front layer. I'll put the dimension here so you get an idea of where this would all fall on you. Just be aware that I have a long face and a long neck, so wigs in general look shorter on me than they might on you or the stock photo. So always measure where it would fall on you. But you have face framing layers. They are just amazing. So I might just need a little bit of water, but maybe just a little bit of heat on my hand will do to move it to the side like so. Little bit face flopping, but I think with a little bit of heat and water it will sort itself out. Let's talk about the fit now straight out of the box. This fits my 21.75 ish, maybe slightly higher because I do have hair growth, really well. I don't need to change the adjusters here at all. So there is room to widen it still, and there's quite a lot of room to tighten it as well. So I do think this is an average sized cap. There is bagging here at the back, which is not unusual for me. So if you have a smaller circumference than mine, that will be probably a bit more. And if you have a larger circumference than mine, as I said, there's room to widen it and there's stretch in this cap. So I think it would suit a range of head sizes or fit a range of head sizes. But please check that with Wig Studio One to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. As I said, these fibers are heat-friendly fibers. Belletress's fibers, straight out of the box, always are absolutely lovely. There is no unnatural shine here. It just looks like healthy hair. This is a longer wig and it's a slightly wavy wig, so you will experience tangling and you will experience it mainly here at the nape. So with longer pieces like this, I tend to wear them forward like this, so the tangling is minimized here at the nape. It probably will still happen, so always have your white tooth comb with you, and throughout the day just carefully from the bottom up work your way through it so you get rid of the tangles, and that kind of helps minimize the frizzing as well. But please be aware that heat-friendly fibers need heat to look their best. So if after 2, 3, 4 wears you see frizzing, that means it's nothing wrong with this wig. It's that fibers, the heat-friendly fibers, that's what they do, and they need heat to look their best. Heat-friendly fibers in general are quite fragile. There's no way to say it otherwise. They are quite fragile. So when they rub on your clothes, when you just handle it, when you comb it through, it will take their toll. So you need to look after them, and they love heat, so use heat. Density, so let's talk about permatease. There is no permatease in this cap because it's mainly hand tied. You have a little bit of tease, at least it feels like that to me, where you have the covered wefts. I just think it's used for structure and to help to disguise the wefting. In terms of density, now I do think there is a little bit of hair here. I do think this is a medium density. The feeling is obviously also because of the waves, but when we look at the ponytail, I do think from feeling it there is quite a substantial ponytail here, but it's natural. It's a natural ponytail, and when you have waves everything feels bigger anyway. But that is, I would say this is a medium density piece, a really natural density. So let's talk about the color, and I will put some outside footage here. Is described as having brown roots that transition to buttery blonde infused with honey and toffee tones. I do think it will flatter a range of skin tones. Styling. As I showed you, you can have a ponytail, which is a lovely, lovely size, I think, really natural. You can have a side pony, really cute. You can also clip it up. And then here you can see those face framing layers, how beautifully they frame your face. Half up, half down. So I really hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you to Wig Studio One for providing me with this piece, and the link to this piece is down below so you can get your order in as soon as possible. Whilst you're there, maybe check out all the other new releases by Belle Tress. There are some other stunning pieces there as well. So go and have a good look around, and I hope I see you very soon here. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.